In order to find LinkedIn, you can either do a search for LinkedIn or you can put in the browser the LinkedIn address, which is www.linkedin.com. When you log in, it will make you set up an account, or if you already have set up an account and have it saved, it'll automatically log you in and your screen will look like this. In order to update your profile and your jobs, to create a resume, you want to go to your profile. So under Me and View Profile. And then from here, you can make adjustments to the languages you know. If you know more than one language, you can add it here. Or if you want to see the profile and be seen in a different language, you can add it there as well. This is the link to your profile that you can add to your Linktree or any other website where you want to share this information, which is business oriented. It's for networking. It's to look for jobs if you like, or just to keep in touch with past coworkers or current coworkers. It will have your history in it, as much history as you want to place in it. When you go in, it does show you, for example, if you've had people visiting your site or appeared in searches. You can write in the About section something about yourself if you like. I just have the languages I speak, and I also put in Spanish that I can help assist buyers that speak Spanish when it comes to real estate. And then there's posts. You can create or watch and support if your friends are on this and they've shared different items. It will be under activity. Your history and experience, which is going to be very important when creating a resume. If you want to create a resume on LinkedIn, you want to add everything that you want in your resume here. I personally have a separate resume, but I do think this is a good alternative. I'll show you at the end how you can save it as a PDF and submit it to a potential employer, or upload it into Indeed or any other employment seeking vehicle that you're part of, and it will give a nice image of your LinkedIn profile. And if you want to do that, then I suggest that you do a little bit more commentary than I have under the titles of employment you have, because it will be shown on that document. And if you wanted to use it as a resume, then you want to have more information. I have already completed some information for some of them, not for all. Like I said, I don't use it. I tend to not use this as a resume. I just use it for networking. But you can list your education here, and the way you update or edit any of these fields is through this pencil. You can edit, and to add something new would be the plus button, and you would just type it in this section here. So it goes all the way down to recommendations, languages, organizations you may be part of, and who you're interested in following company-wise. So in order to change your profile picture, you just have to click on it and edit. In order to change your background, like I said, again, once it's this little pencil to the right, you would click in and change or adjust if you want to for it to be shown differently. And then you would just save it at the end. Save and apply. So my tip here, in order to use this as print it out and use it as a resume, is go to resources and save as a PDF. So once you open it, this is what it will look like, which definitely can be used as a resume. And you can submit it to potential employers. And it lists your top skills, your contact information, the languages you speak, your certifications, and your experience, as much as you have listed in your LinkedIn, as well as your education. So if you wanted to condense it and maybe eliminate any experience that's over 5 years old, then you could do that in order to just have a one-page looking resume. And this you can save as well once you're done. And you can either print and save as a PDF, or you can save as by doing that and clicking here. Or creating a new name and saving it wherever you like. If you want to put it on your desktop. And that is basically what I wanted to share with you guys on how to create a printout of a resume from your LinkedIn account. Thank you for watching, and happy holidays.